Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. This video is based on high request on how to boost manpower naturally and become a tiger on the bed. I will show you 5 best food that can boost your manpower more than Viagra. 1. Red grape. Red grape is known as natural Viagra because it contains boron, which helps in the production of estrogen and testosterone. An increase in the production of these two hormones means you get into the mood for sex without effort. If you have an appointment for the bedroom at night, start eating your red grapes in the morning and check out the amazing effects by nightfall. The second fruit that can boost your manpower is banana. Banana is a great longevity booster for men. If you want super firm erections, bananas are the way to go. Eating lots of bananas will ensure that when you need an erection, it will be a strong one. 3. Avocados. Avocados give you energy for anything including sex. This wonder fruit is rich in folic acid, which helps to dilate blood vessels to allow easy flow of blood all over the body, and to the penis when you need it. 4. Meat. Include a variety of meats in your diet to improve your sex life. Beef, chicken, and pork contain carnitine, L-arginine, and zinc. Carnitine and L-arginine are amino acids that improve blood flow. Uninterrupted blood flow is crucial to sexual response in both men and women. 5. Garlic. Ancient Egyptians used garlic to boost the stamina. A Journal of Nutrition study confirmed that consuming garlic extract can help stop the formation of new fatty deposits, called plaque, inside arterial walls. Yes, that includes the arteries leading to your penis, too. Keep your heart healthy and your erections strong by adding some garlic to your weekly dishes. But bear in mind that garlic won't make your breath smell particularly seductive, so keep it out of your date-night diet.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumb up, and please subscribe to my channel.